Introducing the Grandstand's ACE20 Monitor Arm, the last monitor arm you will ever buy. It's easy to install, it comes fully assembled, and you can install it in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. The ACE20 Monitor Arm has two mounting options, clamp mount and also a grommet mount. First, take the upper clamp mount and position it on the desk or table where you want to mount the monitor arm. Next, take both the lower clamp mount and push it in the 3 holes and pull down to easily lock them in place. Turn the bolt by hand until you start to feel tension. Then, use the 8mm Allen wrench to complete the tightening to secure the mount. The monitor arm ships assembled and is easy to install. Just take the monitor arm from the box and lower the round hole onto the base swivel pole. There are 2 options for choosing how the base of your monitor arm can swivel. Either 360 degrees or locking it to 180 degrees in the event your monitor arm does not have the room for full 360 degree swivel and has a wall or cubicle panel up against the desk surface. For the 180 degrees, insert the stopper into the hole. Now your monitor arm will be restricted and only swivel 180 degrees. For the 360 degree swivel, there's no stopper, so your arm will out of the box swivel effortlessly 360 degrees. The ACE20 Monitor Arm is VESA compliant. The VESA plate has 2 options, 75mm and 100mm. The ACE20 Monitor Arm supports a monitor up to 30 pounds. It's very stable and has limited bounce when typing. To attach the monitor, screw in the top 2 screws on the back of the monitor about halfway. Easily slide the monitor in the grooves with the top 2 screws. Then, attach the bottom 2 screws and tighten all of them. The ACE20 Monitor Arm also has a 360 degree swivel at the midsection of the arm. In the event you want to lock it into place so it does not move, use the 4mm Allen wrench and tighten it in the midsection, and the swivel positioning will be locked into place. The monitor arm has multiple swivel options: portrait, landscape, and a full 360 degree swivel. The ACE20 Monitor Arm has a vertical height range of 20 inches and uses a one-way friction lock technology to hold the weight of the monitor. To set the ideal amount of friction, after you have mounted the monitor to the arm, raise the arm vertically to the desired height while still holding the arm. If the monitor does not hold the height, increase the friction by turning the bolt clockwise using the 6mm Allen wrench until the arm holds the monitor at your desired height. Do not over-tighten the bolt. Too much friction will result in an unnecessary amount of force required to lower the monitor. The ACE20 Monitor Arm has a 27.56-inch maximum extension from its post, and also has a 180 degree pan swing functionality. It also has a 15 degree plus or minus tilt to ensure perfect positioning you need. If the monitor arm does not hold the position you need, tighten the round dial. The ACE20 has easy to use built-in cable management. Hold the cables in place extended under the top part of the arm. Then take each of the plastic clamps and attach them by squeezing them and releasing them in place on the lower part of the top section of the monitor arm. Run the cable through the cable grooves and then easily push them into the plastic cable guide on the lower part of the monitor arm. The ACE20 Monitor Arm also supports ultra-wide monitors, easily positioning your ultra-wide monitor with complete control. Smooth movement while still being sturdy. The ACE20 Monitor Arm installs in less than 10 minutes and comes with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. Now, your monitor arm is ready to use and you can easily position it in multiple desired ergonomic positions based on your individual needs for your constantly changing workplace. With a monitor arm this fast and easy to install, along with all of its features, the ACE20 Monitor Arm will be the last monitor arm you will ever buy.